Mastering SUV Maintenance, a comprehensive mechanic's guide. Ever feel like your SUV is a money pit, constantly guzzling cash for repairs? You're not alone. But what if I told you there's a secret weapon to keep your adventure wagon running smoothly and save you a ton of dough in the process? Hey gearheads and weekend warriors, welcome back to Car Computer Exchange, your one-stop shop for all things fun, affordable, and reliable on four wheels. Today we're tackling a topic close to every SUV owner's heart: keeping your ride happy and healthy without breaking the bank. Buckle up, because we're about to demystify SUV maintenance and turn you into a certified garage guru. So ditch the mechanic's bill anxiety and get ready to save some serious cash, and maybe even impress your friends with your newfound car knowledge. Let's dive in. SUVs, the ultimate adventure mobiles, conquer mountains, haul families, and navigate city streets with ease. But even the most capable adventurer needs a little TLC to keep rolling strong. The truth is, neglecting regular maintenance can turn your beloved SUV into a money pit. Fear not, fellow gearheads. This guide will equip you with the knowledge to keep your four-wheeled companion happy and healthy, all without breaking the bank. Tire talk heavy hitters. Let's face it, SUVs are hefty beasts compared to their sedan counterparts. This extra weight puts significant stress on your tires, making them wear out faster and costlier to replace. Be a tire whisperer. Get in the habit of checking your tire tread regularly. Run your hand across the grooves. Any unevenness or feeling like you're catching on something indicates uneven wear, which might require an alignment check. Inflation inspiration. Don't wing it. The recommended tire pressure for your specific SUV is a lifesaver. Literally. It's not just a random number on the sticker inside your driver's door. Yes, that handy little sticker. Using the correct pressure optimizes fuel efficiency, handling, and most importantly, safety. Don't overload, overexplore. Packing your SUV to the brim for a weekend getaway might seem tempting, but exceeding the weight limit is a recipe for disaster. It can put undue strain on the engine, transmission, and yes, even your tires, leading to premature wear and potential breakdowns. Remember, the weight limit is there for a reason. Respect it, and explore responsibly. Under the hood, pop the hood, not your wallet. While the engine might seem like an intimidating maze, a simple visual inspection can go a long way. Open the hood and look for any leaks, loose hoses, or anything that just doesn't look right. If something seems off, consult your owner's manual or seek a professional mechanic's help. Checking under the hood regularly can help catch any potential issues before they escalate into costly repairs. It's better to be proactive and address small problems early on rather than waiting for a breakdown to occur. Fluid fundamentals. Various fluids keep your SUV's engine humming smoothly. The owner's manual will guide you on where to find and check the levels of coolant, brake fluid, power steering fluid, and even windshield washer fluid. Regularly monitoring and topping off these fluids can prevent overheating, brake failure, and other issues that may arise from low levels. Remember to always use the recommended type of fluid for your specific vehicle to ensure optimal performance. Remember, these fluids have specific properties and colors, so don't top them off with just anything. Battery blues. Don't get stranded in the middle of nowhere. Take a moment to visually inspect your battery for any corrosion on the terminals. Additionally, consider getting your battery tested periodically to ensure it's holding a charge properly. This white, crusty buildup can hinder electrical connections, and cleaning it with a baking soda and water solution is a quick and easy fix. Air filter frenzy. This often forgotten filter plays a crucial role in keeping your engine clean. A clogged air filter restricts airflow, reducing fuel efficiency and performance. Regularly check and replace your air filter according to your vehicle's maintenance schedule to ensure optimal engine performance. Remember, a clean air filter can improve gas mileage and prolong the life of your engine. Consult your manual for the recommended replacement intervals, and breathe new life into your engine with a fresh filter. Beyond the basics. Some SUVs, especially four-wheel drive models, might have additional components like differentials and transfer cases that require specific maintenance. Don't be discouraged. Your trusty owner's manual will always be your best friend in understanding and addressing these needs. Remember, regular maintenance of these components will ensure your SUV continues to perform at its best. Don't hesitate to seek professional help if you're unsure about how to properly care for these parts. All right, gearheads, halfway through this maintenance marathon, and I bet you're feeling like a mini mechanic already. But before we dive into the next pit stop, raise your hand if you've ever used your SUV as a makeshift moving truck, only to discover later that your suspension felt like it was transporting a tank, not a tiny couch. No judgment here, just a friendly reminder that overloading is a recipe for trouble. Now, let's keep rolling and learn how to keep your SUV happy and healthy, even when you're tempted to turn it into a mobile storage unit. Hitching a ride safely. SUVs are often the go-to choice for hauling trailers, boats, or even helping a friend move. We've all been there. But before you hitch up and head out, remember, safety first. Always check your tow hitch and electrical connections for any signs of wear or damage. A loose connection could lead to a frustrating and potentially dangerous situation on the road. Don't forget to consult your owner's manual for the specific towing capacity of your SUV. Exceeding the weight limit isn't just about saving face with your friend who needs help moving. It can affect your vehicle's handling, braking, and overall safety. See and be seen. Imagine navigating a dark road with only a single flickering headlight. Not ideal, right? Faulty lights are a safety hazard, not only for you but also for other drivers on the road. Regularly check all your lights, including headlights, taillights, brake lights, turn signals, and even fog lights if equipped. Remember, a few minutes spent checking your lights can prevent a potentially dangerous situation down the line. Leak busters. Be a cardboard detective. Nobody wants a surprise puddle under their beloved SUV. Luckily, checking for leaks is a simple process. Grab a large piece of cardboard and place it under your vehicle overnight. In the morning, check the cardboard for any signs of moisture. If you find a leak, don't panic. Consult your owner's manual or seek the help of a qualified mechanic to diagnose and fix the issue. Remember, catching leaks early can prevent more extensive and expensive repairs later. Listen up. Your car is talking. Your car might not speak your language, but it communicates in its own way. Pay attention to any unusual noises, vibrations, or smells while driving. A grinding sound could indicate brake wear. A burnt rubber smell might point to an overheated engine. An excessive shaking could signify a suspension issue. Don't ignore these warning signs. Addressing them early can save you the hassle and cost of a major breakdown down the road. By incorporating these additional maintenance tips into your routine, you'll be well on your way to becoming a confident and capable SUV owner. Remember, a little TLC goes a long way in ensuring your adventure companion is always ready to hit the road, tow the load, and keep you safe and sound on your journeys. So there you have it, folks. With these simple maintenance tips, you've officially graduated from SUV owner to SUV whisperer. Remember, a little care goes a long way in keeping your ride happy and healthy, saving you money in the long run, and ensuring you're never stranded with a metaphorical or literal flat tire. If you found this video helpful, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the Car Computer Exchange channel for more automotive adventures, DIY hacks, and expert advice to keep your car running like a champ. And hey, who knows, maybe you'll become the neighborhood mechanic everyone relies on. Just don't forget to charge them for your newfound expertise. Until next time, happy driving and keep conquering the road.